Another composite questions function. We're given fx as a quadratic and we're asked to show this relationship. Always like show that questions, you know that you're right. So effectively we're going to have two inputs to our function box. The first input will be x, and simply from that box we will get x squared plus 2x plus 1 in a very ordinary way. And the other f box, slightly more complicated, we're going to shove in x plus 2. So where I see an x in the function in its original form, I must write x plus 2. So this becomes x plus 2 squared plus 2 lots of x plus 2 plus 1. So what I've now got to do is take fx away from this guy. Straight away, without doing any work at all, this pair of ones cancel each other out. So we've got to multiply everything out and then gather all the terms together. So from this multiplication, two brackets of x plus 2 multiplied together, I get x squared. Plus the two underneaths, if you can imagine them, I've got a 2x and another 2x. So this is plus 4x plus 4 plus this gives us 2x plus 4. Then we've got all our negatives. So this is x squared minus 2x, the ones having disappeared. As I'd hoped for, because given the answer has got no x squared terms, the x squared terms disappear. And also this 2x will cancel with this negative 2x. So gathering up the remainders, I've only got a 4x. And I've only got a 4 and a 4, so this is plus 8. And happily this matches what we were asked to prove. So this is your answer.